Hello everyone, so today I'm sharing an ATC. For this ATC, I just folded this pattern paper to make it more thicker. Then this one is a die cut from a C6 die. Then I just put some enamel dots. Then this is just a sticker. Then I punch out some silver glitter paper. Then this is a flower from the Party Garden collection of Project Life card. And this bunny, I got it from some grab bag dish stash that I got from somewhere. Then this one also I put some enamel dots. So this is my new ATC card. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.